how to promote Temu affiliate links on Facebook. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can promote Temu affiliate links on Facebook. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Temu, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Temu, it is a rapidly growing e-commerce platform that has gained significant attention in recent years, in which Temu operates primarily in the United States, offering a wide range of products at extremely low prices, which is often undercutting established retailers. And the platform's business model relies heavily on subsidies and aggressive marketing tactics to attract customers. And now from here, you can simply go to temu.com and kindly sign in your account in here using the link in the description below. And to start promoting, we can simply go in this footer section of this website and kindly click this affiliate and influencer earn commission button, in which upon clicking this option, we will automatically be directed on this page right here. And as you can see, this is the affiliate and influencer program, in which it will show you here some of the percentage of commission that you will get upon affiliating or promoting the product. And upon promoting a specific product or items, the first thing that we need to do is simply pick an items. And to do that, kindly click this pick items button on the left side panel, and it will show in here a variety of products that we can start promoting on our Facebook account. So all you need to do from here is to simply choose what kind of product you want to promote. Let's say I'm going to choose this bag right here. Then you will be able to see here the product image of this product, the product title, description, and also the corresponding prices of it. So from here, we can simply copy this product or save the image of it. And after that, to proceed, just go to your Facebook account. So just sign in your Facebook account in here. And from here, to start promoting the products, you could also search for specific Facebook groups that also has a kind of niche that also promoting a product from Temu. So I'm going to search Temu Finds, and upon clicking on the result in here, it will show us in here a variety of groups that we can simply join. And it will show us in here that there is a variety of posting or promoting some of the products from Temu that you can find in here. So we can simply join to this group. And after we got accepted to this group, we can now simply start posting or promoting the products that we just find on Temu using the affiliate links. But from here, it will show you what it looks like upon posting the product, in which it will show us in here the description, the images, and also the link in here, in which if one user try to click the link, they will automatically be directed on the page where they can start ordering the product. And aside from that, the other way, which is to start posting on our account in here. So going back in here, to start posting, we can proceed by clicking this part, which is what's on your mind. And on this pop-up window, just enter here or click this photo and video to start uploading the images that we just selected or saved from Temu. So as you can see, it is now currently added in here. Now the next thing that we need to do is to simply add a caption to our post. So I'm going to enter here Temu Finds, or to make it better, Temu Best Finds. Then just proceed by clicking enter and kindly enter here or paste the description. But you can just also click or enter here order now below. And for the affiliate links of these items that we just selected to promote, we can proceed by going back on this page right here. And kindly click this earn up to 246.9, and after that it will show in here the link. But you could also copy this whole text if you want to and kindly paste it in our Facebook post in here, instead of entering here the context that we just entered earlier. So from here, upon pasting, you will now be able to see here the description, the prices, and also the corresponding Temu links or this affiliate link of this product, in which upon clicking on this product link, they will be directed in here where they can start ordering the product, and after ordering, we will earn a commission from it. So that's one way of how we can start promoting the Temu affiliate links of this product on our Facebook account. And now let's try to post this promotion that we just created earlier. Upon clicking the post button below, we will start creating the post, and you will now be able to see here what it looks like. So from here, it will show you the description and also the context that we just add here. By clicking the see more, it will show us the item link. And if one user try to click the link, they will automatically be directed on the page where they can start ordering the product and will start earning a money or commission from it. And now the other way of how we can start promoting affiliate links on this Facebook account is to simply join to our marketplace. And to do that, on the left side panel, just click this marketplace button on the left side panel, in which upon clicking on it, we will automatically be directed on this page And from here, it will show us a variety of products and also a house and clothes that are selling in here. However, since we're trying to promote a product, we're going to click the selling or click create new listing button on the left side panel. And upon clicking on it, just choose the listing type in here. In here, item for sale, vehicle for sale, but I'm going to choose this item for sale. And upon clicking on it, from here it will show us the preview of what it looks like. And on the left side panel, just simply choose to add the photo in here by clicking this add photo, in which just proceed by choosing on your computer files the photo from Temu that we just. And after that, you will now be able to see here that the photo is now currently uploading, and it will show in here what it looks like. So you can click this arrow in order to see all of the photo that have been selected or uploaded in here. And below, just add a title. But at this point, we're just going to copy this title on Temu and paste it in our marketplace in here. However, make sure that you add a shorter title in here instead of the long title that we just found on Temu. So at this point, I'm just going to delete some of the context in here in order to make it short. Then below, just add here the price, but you could also use the Temu in order to be your guide in setting the price in here. And I'm going to enter here the same price on Temu, and from here under the category, just choose the category that we prefer. And as you can see, I'm going to choose here these bags and luggage. And for the condition, I'm going to select new. And below, you could also add more details including the brand of this bag, the color of it, the luggage material, and any other kind of details about this product that we're selling or promoting on this marketplace. So you could also use the page on Temu in order to serve you as your guide in entering here some of the details of the product. As you can see, I just enter here the brand, but the next thing is to enter the color and also the luggage material in here. And as you can see, the color that I enter is white, green, and blue. And for the luggage material, let's say I'm going to enter here cotton. Then below, you could enter here a material and also enter here the description in here. But as you can see, we cannot find here any description, so you can simply leave it as blank. And below, you could also add here a product tags if you want to, and also a location in here. Then it will now show you on the right side panel what it looks like. And by simply clicking the next button below, will automatically be directed in here, in which all we need to do from here is to simply select a specific group we want to list this product that we just promoting. While on the right side panel, it will show us the preview of what it looks like upon posting this on Marketplace, in which we will be able to see here the title, the prices of it, and also the product details that other Facebook user will see upon visiting this marketplace. And as you can see in here under seller information on the right side panel, the user can directly message us if they are interested to purchase this product. Then we can start sending them the affiliate links from Temu where they can order, and after that we'll start earning a commission upon purchasing the product. So basically, that is just how you can promote Temu affiliate links on Facebook. Thank you.